The topic of today's video is singly linked list. So in data structure there are three types of linked list: singly linked list, doubly linked list and circular linked list. Again in circular linked list there are two types: circular singly linked list, circular doubly linked list. So in this video we will see what is singly linked list. So let us see, singly linked list consists of node. Okay, so if you see any linked list, any type of linked list, you will see there is node. And what is node? The node contains two parts: data and link. So what is data? Data contains the actual data, and link contains the address of the next node. So how to represent the data in the linked list? We have to represent in the form of node, and node contains data and the next part. So next part is nothing but the address of the next node. So this is how you can represent the singly linked list. This is first node, this is second node, this is third node. So initial node is also called as head node because it is the initial node. So this is how we can represent the singly linked list. Now how to represent the data in the singly linked list? Suppose we have data 8, 10 and 32. So how to represent it? First of all, we have to draw the node and then write down in data part we have to write 8, 10 and 32. Now how to connect this node? So we have to connect it to link part. So through link part it will contain the address of the next node. So this is called as head node. So this is how we can create the singly linked list structure. And address of the last node, so link part, if you look at the last node, so the last node contains link part contains null because it is not pointing to anything. So we can also ground it. So this is called as ground. Now what type of operation we can perform on the linked list? We can perform insertion operation, we can perform deletion operation. Now how to perform the insertion operation? Suppose I want to insert node 45. So this is called 45. Okay, so I want to insert it. So how to, before 10 I want to insert this 45 node. How to do it? We have to connect this link part to this. Okay, suppose the address of this node is 2000. So we have to instead of doing it, instead of pointing it to 10, it is pointing it to 45 now. So the link part is pointing to this node, and the link part of this node will point to this node. So this is how we can insert the element. So this is how it is insertion at the in between we are inserting it. Now suppose I want to insert at the beginning. So what will happen? We will create one pointer that is called as head. So head is nothing but a pointer which is pointing to initial. So how we come to know that this is the initial node in linked list? So what we will do, we have to create one pointer which is called as head. Okay, so head will contain the address of the first node. Suppose I want to insert 45 at the beginning. So what I will do, I will point head pointer here, and then the link part of this node will point to this node. So this is how this become the initial node. Now suppose I want to delete this 10. So deletion operation, how to perform the deletion operation? We have to just move the links. So instead of representing the data here, then we can represent this link here. So and then we have to again delete this link. So there is no need to delete the node, we have to just move the links. So that is how we can perform the insertion operation and deletion operation. Now suppose I want to delete this 45. So what I will do, I will point this I will move this head node. So head will point to this node. So we have to, I told you, we have to just move the link, and link part of this node should be null. So this is how we can perform the deletion operation. So it is just playing with the links with the node. So that's it for singly linked list. So if you like the video, then please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.